Understanding, value one's purity, a deep dive. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, value one's purity. This is a fascinating topic that touches on cultural, moral, and individual beliefs. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply interested in deepening your understanding of English expressions, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unravel the layers behind this phrase. To truly understand, value one's purity, it's crucial to break down the phrase into its core components. Value, to regard something highly or consider it of great importance. One's, a possessive adjective, indicating something that belongs to or is associated with a person. Purity. This term can have several meanings depending on the context. It generally refers to the state of being pure, which can imply freedom from contamination, innocence, or moral integrity. Putting it all together, to value one's purity means to hold in high regard or consider one's state of innocence, moral integrity, or freedom from contamination as highly important. The concept of purity, and thus valuing one's purity, can vary significantly across different cultures and religions. It often carries a strong moral or ethical connotation and can be related to sexual purity, abstaining from sexual activities outside of certain boundaries, such as marriage. Spiritual or religious purity, living according to specific religious laws or spiritual beliefs, often involving certain rituals or behaviors. Mental or emotional purity, maintaining innocence, positivity, or a lack of corruption in one's thoughts and feelings. Understanding the context in which the phrase is used is crucial, as it can significantly affect its meaning and the conversation around it. In modern discourse, the value placed on purity has evolved, and discussions around it can be quite nuanced. It's important to recognize that individual interpretation. People may interpret and value purity in very personal ways, which can be influenced by their upbringing, culture, and personal beliefs. Societal and cultural shifts. The importance of purity, and what constitutes purity, has changed over time and continues to evolve with societal values. Debates and discussions. The concept of valuing one's purity can lead to significant debates, particularly around topics like gender roles, autonomy, and the judgment or shaming of personal choices. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of what it means to value one's purity, and the various dimensions this phrase encompasses. It's a complex topic that sits at the intersection of language, culture, morality, and personal identity. Remember, the beauty of learning a language lies in exploring the rich tapestry of meanings and perspectives it opens up. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, keep questioning, and, most importantly, keep valuing the nuances of the English language.